Today we will have a short and brief report pertaining to drugs. Number 1. What is drug dependence, physical dependence, and psychological dependence, Unico?
Psychological dependence is an emotional need for a drug or substance that has no underlying physical need. It is a need for a particular substance because of the mental and psychological effect that it produces. So, ipagpalit mo drugs or medicine or something mag-i-take ninyo, kailangan din mo i-examine din yung tao may kabilong ng tanga every drug na dyan ay affect sa mental physical dependence. Substance dependence in which there is evidence for tolerance, withdrawal, or both. So, if mag-intake ka ng mga drugs, nanan sila yung effect sa atong physical appearance. And thus, drug dependence. It means that a person needs a drug to function normally. Abruptly stopping drugs leads to withdrawal symptoms. Drug addiction is the compulsion use of a substance despite its negative or dangerous effects. For example, magkasakit ka, kailangan din tabi ng drugs or medicine para makaliyap ang karong.
What are the 4 basic steps that teenagers on the road to drug dependence?
The 4 basic steps or stages leading to drug dependence are the drug use or experimentation, the misuse of drugs, the abuse of drugs, and the drug addiction and dependency. Drug use or experimentation is the first step on the potential road to drug addiction. Usually, the kind of listening to the negative effects, and it takes only a simple drug ingestion. Influenced by friends, colleagues, without thinking of the serious consequences brought by curiosity of experience, it must not be encouraged. Diba sa drug use experimentation, mali siya mga time na curious kayo gani. So since curious kayo ka sa mga drugs, so mag-use ka of drugs, so ka nang mag-experiment mo, mag-try ka ba? So wala siya drug or experimentation. Number 2 na stage is the misuse of drugs. Occurring when one experiences some from negative effect by ingesting one particular drug. For example, misuse of alcohol results to being drunk and sometimes mag-accident ka. And then misuse of drugs also, or ingesting too much might result to addiction, abuse. However, it is very rare that one misusing drugs does not become a drug addict. So, diba? So, misuse of drugs, diba? Pag super too much na kay ka, so nag tendency na ma-aksidente ka or ka na ma-addict ka. Kanang anak siya. Yes, ma'am. Intentionally misuse, sometimes intentionally misuse of drugs means also doing it to impress friends. Yes, doing of drugs sometimes ginabuhan mo take ka of drugs, too much drug kay para magpa-impress the friends or kumbaga magpapansin, something like that. I love you. It doesn't mean na ikaw to ha. Okay. Number 3 is abuse of drugs. This is when a routinely misuses drugs in spite of the negative effects and legal consequences it may result from such misuse. More often used as a temporary form of emotional relief or escapism, which may result to more serious problems in the long run. So, diba, kasi yung abuse of drugs, pag mag-abuse yung ka of drugs, so, serious, mag-function na sa mga serious problems. Number 4 is drug addiction and dependency. When one frequently abuse drugs and continuing such behavior will lead to drug addiction or dependency problem. Drug addicts has a very compulsive need to take drugs despite all negative consequences to him, her, family, friends, and colleagues. And also can highly affect mental, physical health, finances, job stability, criminal records to the extent. Once this final stage has been reached by addicts, they can function without consuming drugs. This is, so kaning mga tao, kaning kanang mga drug addiction, kanang mga nagdepende lang ganilang lang sa ano, sa mga drugs. For example, hindi na sila buhay kung wala yung drugs. So, problema na dyan sa health, mental, to the point na mura na sila mga lingling, mga buang na gani. Ang ano niya, mangawat na, kaya ginakalan ng kwarta, kanang
Dili na pwede.
to the extent, mamati ka ng
Trabaho
matay
man siya.
na, ano siya, mga
Ambot sa UM daw.
nagdepende sa drugs.
Basig sa alin doon.
So, kana sila mga, nagkakalan na nila sila mga professional health. Okay, that's it.
What are the primary causes of drugs?
Naghanog na ng mga primary causes of drugs. Example, ito na to, sa family sa mga pamilya sa mga iba, kadalasan sa ila is ka ng wala attention sa parents, kaya kung busy ang mga parents, sige, ito, ang mga appointments sa mga gawas, wala na sila yung time. That's why ang feeling sa mga bata, kay tungod lagi wala ang parents, feeling nila wala sila kulus sila mata silang mga parents. That's why ang drugs may mo nilang false refuge, imbis na kanang mas kanabitang magpapansin sila na ginarong sila silang ginabuhi. Ang drugs may mo nilang false refuge kay tungod feeling nila pag mag-drugs sila kanabitang kanang makapukot up the attention sa ilang parents, wala sila nang mag-use silang drugs. Mauto siya ang sa family niya, sa biological, sa inyong na sila, di ba? Just like for example, sa mga friends. Kato example kagaya na nga, kulang sila attention sa parents, ang uban kay makitudtod sa friends, kay mangitag attention sa uban kay nangyanlan sila o gugma. Gugma daw nga, o mga na siya, tungod sila sa mga friends. O, kay tungod, feeling nila, pag dito sila silang friends, kay kanabitang mapuno sila. Pero nahimog akong false refuge ng mga friends. Ito nga daw mga friends ko, niya mapuno sila mga influence. Dito, nahimog din ng PI.
Wax.
Tapos, next, psychological. Ang primary anak ng mga processes ka na bitaw curiosity sa una sa bata. Just like ang parents, kita niya man, take of drugs. So ang bata murag, uy, kuan lagi na siya, kana interesting, kana pwede matry ra na doon. So to siya, short lang.
What are the effects of drug abuse as a person, to your family, to the community and society?
Effects of drug abuse in person, a person of anxiety, kanang stress, tapos hindi mapalagay, and depression. And users of marijuana and hallucinogenic drugs may experience flashbacks ka ng ma-recall niya, ma-rewind niya ang mga past nga may epekto sa in person sa drug abuse. Tapos in family, can lead a marital problems, poor work performance. When you continue using this drug abuse, it affects the family covering up, supplying money or denying, or dili na siya nagasulti sa iyang mga problema. In society, daghang epekto, daghang paraan na maapektuhan ang society, especially in work, loss of work time, and inefficient. And community can increase family stress, crime, and significant health problems.
What are the weapons to combat drug menace? There are 5 ways to effectively combat drug addiction. First is effectively deal with peer pressure. Start an effective excuse for them that may also convince yourself. Mag-excuse ka sa ilaha sa mga hikayat sa imong mag-adik-adik na ma-convince mo imong sarili na dili to buhaton. Plan efficiently ahead of time, thus giving a proper excuse when one tempts you to do it. So dapat nakakay plano sa imong kinabuhi, sa imong mag-auto-puling mag-unwind ko, para halimbawa iyakon ka sa mga amigo ni mo mag-adik-adik, nakakay dahilan. Number 2, deal with life pressure. Handle stress and unwind instead of consuming drugs. Think of a better alternative to reduce stress and battle anxiety and depression such as exercising, read a book, do volunteer works for the needy. Mas maganda kung magbuhat mo ka ng makabuluhan ka na buluhaton kesa sa mag-adik-adik mo, magtabang na lang mo, kaya magbasa mo libro, mag-internet na lang mo, research. Then think positive and relax. You should relax, kalma lang. 3. Seek help for mental illness. For people who cannot cope or battle drug addiction alone, don't hesitate to seek professional help and treatment for your anxiety, depression, before it leads to more serious consequences to the extreme death. Nayuban mag-suicide na kay dili man mga yung tabang sa mga mental institution para mabat or mga parehab. So, sobra na yun ang drug addiction. 4. Examine risk factors. Be aware and overcome biological, environmental, and physical risk factors of drug addiction. So, dapat aware kung sa imong mga paligid. Kung kapalo ka ng imong amigo kay bugoy-bugoy, adik-adik, dapat dili na lang ka makipag-close ato kay nagi chance na ikaw mahawaan ka nila sa pag-adik-adik. 5. Keep a well-balanced life. Think of a better priorities for you. Don't be too down, unhappy to what you have and what you are now. Be contented. So kung iniisip nimo wala kay kabuluhan, isipon na lang nimo sa sa Africa, dagan tao dito nangamatay, walay pagkaon. Ikaw na kay pagkaon pero gusto nimo isayang imong buhay tungod sa adik-adik. That's all.